Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the setup of the Linksys WRT AC3200 router. From physical connections to accessing the router's settings page, configuring your Wi-Fi network, and optimizing advanced settings like guest networks and parental controls, we've got you covered. Whether you're a beginner or looking to fine-tune your home network, this tutorial will help you get your router up and running smoothly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. So first of all, let's unbox the Linksys WRT AC3200 router. Inside the Linksys WRT AC3200 router box, you'll find the router itself, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a quick start guide to help with setup. The package also includes detachable antennas for enhanced wireless coverage and stability. Everything you need to get your router connected and running is included right out of the box. Let's start the setup process. Plug the power adapter into the router and the other end into an electrical outlet. Turn on the router by pressing the power button, if available. Use the provided Ethernet cable to connect the router's WAN, Internet, port, usually marked in a different color, often yellow, to your modem's Ethernet port. If you're using a wired connection for setup, plug an Ethernet cable into one of the router's LAN ports and connect it to your computer or laptop. If you're using a wireless connection, find the default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, on the label under or behind the router. This will be something like Linksys XXXXX. If using Ethernet, simply plug into one of the LAN ports and ensure your computer detects the connection. Open any web browser, Chrome, Firefox, etc., and type http://192.168.1.1 into the address bar. This is the default IP address to access the router's interface. You will be prompted to log in. For most Linksys routers, the default settings are username, leave this field blank, password, enter admin, all lowercase. If you've set a custom username or password in the past and forgotten it, you may need to perform a factory reset. Once logged in, the router's setup wizard will automatically detect the type of internet connection you have. If it does not, you may need to manually configure the settings. Once logged in, the router's setup wizard will automatically detect the type of internet connection you have. If it does not, you may need to manually configure the settings. You will be asked to change the router's default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, to something more personalized, e.g., My Home Network. Set a strong password, preferably using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, for your Wi-Fi network. The password should be at least 8 characters long and difficult to guess. Once all settings have been configured, click on Save to apply the changes. By following these steps, your Linksys WRT AC3200 router should be fully operational and secure. Now your setup process is successfully complete. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.